to share with you how the 7-Up pound cake turned out. It's beautiful. It looks perfect. I have not tasted it yet, but we're going to cut it and taste it and try it and see how it turned out. So let's take a look. So the cake's in here. And look at that. That is the 7-Up pound cake. Yes, a 7-Up pound cake. This is what it's looking like. And it was made with actual 7-Up. But this is the cake, guys. I'm gonna turn it around so you can see it. Look at that. So this is both lemon and lime slices topped. It's topped with a lemony glaze that I made for it. And I put slices of lemon and lime fresh with some zested lemon and lime on top. It's absolutely beautiful. And now it's time to try the cake. Let's get a picture. Of that. It's absolutely beautiful. So let's try it. You're gonna cut it. You're gonna cut it with me, okay? So let's do it. Let's cut the cake. It's cutting perfectly, guys. Kind of hungry, so I want a nice thick piece today. Wow. Whoa, look at that. Look at that. It looks so perfect. See that? Hey, chat, check that out. That is a 7-Up cake. And it looks so perfect. And yes, it actually has 7-Up in it. This is the cake. Wish you guys were here to share it with me. But I'm going to try it right now so that we can taste it together. Hold on for 1 second. Let me grab a fork. I'm going to let you know how it is. I have to turn the camera around here. Oh my gosh, it's so good. It is so good and soft. Y'all don't know. Y'all need some of this cake. Y'all need a piece of this 7-Up cake. That is crazy delicious. It is so good. And I don't have any ice cream. I have milk, but no ice cream. But this is so delicious. It's so perfect. Yes, it is so perfect. It's so soft, it's moist. The glaze is not overwhelming like a lot of icing. It is so delicious. It's so perfectly fluffy. The blend of the butters and the sugars, you can taste it. This is such a beautiful cake. Came out perfect, guys. Oh my gosh. We're gonna have to do this again. We're gonna have to do another 7-Up pound cake. I do lemon pound cakes as well, but that right there, absolutely delicious. So yeah, I just wanted to share with you the taste reveal. And again, just let you know, this is a lemon, not a lemon, but a 7-Up pound cake. And that's all I got for you tonight. But I wanted to share it with you. And yeah, this is great. So Merry Christmas. I hope you all had a Merry Christmas chat. We're going to have to cook together again soon. This will be on YouTube, by the way, under Auntie K _510. This is going to be on YouTube with the video of actually making the cake. And so go check it out on YouTube, and we will take it from there. But this is, again, a 7-Up pound cake. Have a good night and be safe between now and the new year. You stay safe. Thank you for joining my channel this evening and for checking in with me. Please follow, and on YouTube, please subscribe and like the video when it comes out. It should be out there over the next day or two. It should be popping up. So go check it out. Auntie K _510. And that's representing the Bay Area. But yes, this cake is the bomb.